Hi everyone, and if you want to know how to enable anonymous browsing on Reddit, you've come to the right place. So, Reddit provides an anonymous browsing mode in its app, which allows you to browse content without associating your activity with your Reddit account. And here is how to enable it. First of all, you need to open your Reddit account, and here tap on your account icon in the top right corner and find settings in the bottom. Click on settings, and here you can see a lot of settings, but you need the general ones. Click on account settings, and here you need to click on switch accounts and choose anonymous browsing. So now, as you can see, it's your anonymous browsing. While you anonymous browsing, your activity will be associated with your Reddit account, and browse and search history won't be saved to your account, and you won't receive the personalized recommendations or notifications based on your anonymous browsing activity. Click on OK, and now you can watch Reddit anonymously. And how to turn it off is the same way. You need to click on it and just click on leave anonymous browsing. And after a short load, you will you can again use your own Reddit account. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.